Hi friends, welcome back. I hope you're all doing great today. Now earlier this spring we visited High Falls and I posted a video. Now this is an update from that video, and believe it or not, when we went back on May 10th, the water was raging just the same, but this time what I did was just record the sounds and everything without any talking. So I hope you enjoy it. Nature in all its glory, oh the beauty of the Creator and His creation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.